friends, I hope you all are doing great. So if any one of you is watching me for the first time, then I want to let you know I'm Priyanka. I make videos on newly launched product reviews, makeup tutorials, DIYs. If you are interested to watch such type of videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon next to it, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any of my videos. And also please give it a like and share if you like this video. I'm going to share with you this makeup look that you can see on my face right now. So this is a very beautiful, trendy, colorful makeup look, and definitely if you're a teenager or college going student, then you can do such type of makeup. It looks so pretty, so vibrant, so colorful, and it gives that young vibe. So definitely you can go for such type of looks. And I've experimented a little bit in this makeup with a purple eyeliner, you can see. And this makeup look is also very affordable. I have used all the products under rupees 250. Nothing is above rupees 250. So if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please continue watching. Friends, before starting my makeup, I will prep my skin really well. I'll do a little bit of skincare because a makeup has lot of chemicals, and before doing any makeup we should definitely prep our skin really well. It also gives a very good base. Our makeup looks very flawless, it looks beautiful. So I will start with CTM, that is cleansing, toning, moisturizing. So I have cleansed my face really well. I have used biotic face wash. So after that I'll be using this toner. This is aloe vera toner by Alps Goodness, and this is really a very good toner. So I'm going to spray this on my face. Oh, it's very refreshing, very soothing, it's so cooling, and I feel so refreshed after applying this toner. So I will just air dry it, and I will let it sink into my skin and get absorbed into my skin really well. So next I'm going to apply this serum. This is Biotic Biodanline serum, and this is my favorite serum. I love it so much. It instantly gets absorbed into skin, and it doesn't gives any oily feeling, and also it works really very well. Next, after applying this serum, I'll be applying this moisturizer. This is Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream Moisturizer, and this moisturizer is really very good for oily skin. And along with that, it also moisturizes well, and the fragrance is really very good. I like it so much. And this tub is available within rupees 100, so it's very affordable. So friends, if you are doing this makeup in the daytime, you should definitely apply a sunscreen. So next step is actually a sunscreen. So I like to use this sunscreen nowadays. This is Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Gel with SPF 50, PA++, UVB and UVA protection. So this is very light and non-sticky, and it is also gel based sunscreen, so it is very good for oily skin, and really it has a very good mattifying effect on skin. So friends, as I'm shooting this video in night time, so I'm not going to apply on my face now, but you can definitely go for this sunscreen. Next I'm going to start my makeup. So before starting any makeup, we should definitely go for a good primer. I'm going to use this BLCC Glam Glow 10-in-1 Skin Perfector in the shade Ivory. This product comes under rupees 150, and it also acts like a primer as it is a perfector. So it instantly smoothens skin, and it gives a really good smooth canvas. Next I'm going to apply foundation, and I'm going to use this Olivia foundation in the shade 1, that is Satin Ivory, and this is also my new purchase. I haven't used this yet, so in front of you I'm going to try this out today. And this is only for rupees 50, so I just can't believe, like, for rupees 50 also foundation is available. So let's try it out and let's see. And it has a really good smell, I like it. Going to blend this foundation using this wet beauty blender. So friends, I feel like this particular shade is a little bit darker to my skin tone, but this blends really well, and it gives medium coverage, and it is really very mattifying as well. So good for oily skin. So after this I'm going to apply a concealer, and I'm going to conceal my dark circles, my dark spots, blemishes, everything. So for that I'm going to use this concealer. This is Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 03 Light Moin, and this is a really very good concealer that I've tried. It's very affordable, and along with that it gives a very good coverage. Next next I'm going to set my makeup really well, and for that I'm going to use this compact. This is Biotique Magic Compact, and this is in the set Sea Sale, and this is also really very affordable. It is only for rupees 145, and it comes with a puff like this, but I am going to use my powdered brush to set my makeup. It is a really good compact. It gives very good sheer coverage, and along with that it also mattifies face, mattifies makeup. So for contouring I'll be using this NY Bay contouring stick, and this is in the shade 10 orange. This is the orange corrector actually. So friends, you can definitely use this shade to contour your face, and along with that this can also be used as an orange corrector. So contouring is really very important, friends. If you have a chubby face, or if you are having a face like me, I have a very round face, so definitely do contour. It will give a very good look. So next I'm going to apply blush, and for that I'm going to use this palette, you can see, and this has become my favorite nowadays. It's such a good palette. This is by Malio. This is Malio makeup palette. So friends, already I have reviewed this product on my channel as well, so if you want to buy, you can definitely check that video out. And this is in the shade 02. So I'm going to take this shade, this blush shade, this pinky sort of blush shade, and I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to use my blush brush. So you can see it is blending really very good, very well. I'm also going to apply a little bit on my nose tip. Friends, now I'm going to apply this highlighter given in this palette, and this is a really good highlighting shade, and I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face. I'll be applying this on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. I'm going to pick up this shade over here. You can see this silver sort of shade. So I'm going to apply this on my lids totally. So friends, next I'm going to take this shade over here, this matte shade over here, very light oranges type of shade. I'm going to apply it to blend my edges, and to give a little bit of transition. So I'm going to use this over here. So friends, next I'm going to apply this Blue Heaven eyeliner, matte eyeliner in the shade purple. So next I'm going to apply a kajal, and I'm going to use this kajal by NY Bay in the shade black, and this is a really very affordable kajal, and a really a good kajal as well. So I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. So I'm going to use this sponge tip applicator given in this palette, and I'm going to take this pink shade over here, this one, and I'm going to smoke out my kajal a little bit. So friends, now I'll complete my left eye, and I'll be back. So friends, I have applied false eyelashes as well, you can see. So now next I'm going to apply mascara. So mascara is really very important because we need to blend our natural eyelashes with artificial eyelashes. I'm going to use Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. So next I'm going to fill my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use this Blue Heaven Artisto eyebrow definer, and this one is a new launch from Blue Heaven. I have already reviewed this one on my channel, so if you want to buy, you can definitely check it out. And this is a really good product. This is really a very good shade. This is a gray shade. I'm going to comb my eyebrow. Friends, now I'm going to set my makeup really well, and for that I'm going to use NY Broadway makeup fixer, and this is a really very affordable makeup fixer. This comes under rupees 199. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to spray this on my face. Friends, now I'm going to apply lipstick, and for that I'm going to use this special matte lip color by Blue Heaven. This is a very pretty fuchsia pink shade, you can see. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching. So I will see you in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family really well. Bye and take care.